Divertir. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a video about can my mom learn a dance, and I'm gonna teach her in 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. What dance?
Modern, and the song is called NUEVAYol by Bad Bunny.
Okay, let's do it. So this is section 1, right?
Section 1.
Okay.
And well, we're not there yet, but this is where we start section 2.
Okay.
But we're gonna do it like
a transition.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so first we go with the right hand, the one that's closer to the mirror. We go like that, and also it's looking up.
Okay.
And this one's looking down.
Okay.
And we go, si te quieres divertir. And then we go back.
Okay.
And
so
then we
like
turn.
Back, turn.
Turn, and we go pi, ne, ne, ne.
So it's 4 elbows.
Yeah.
Got it.
From there, okay? Si te quieres divertir. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it with music?
No, let's continue a little bit, then music.
Okay. Si te quieres divertir. Oh yeah, sorry. Por el alma y por el primor.
Okay, so
That's gonna be the Ferris wheel, we can call it.
so this, you said this is the Ferris wheel.
The
yes.
Ferris wheel, because it's like turning, you know?
And so we have, so do it again, sing it again.
Si te quieres divertir.
Da.
Por el alma y por el primor.
So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
No, it's not 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
We have to bounce a bit also?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3,
Not too much.
1, 2.
Like this.
Okay, a little bit of bouncing.
like
Just
that.
Okay,
Just a
tiny bit.
little bit.
Tiny bit of bouncing.
Yeah.
But the counting is 3 and 2.
Yep.
Okay? Okay,
And then we're gonna go, tornado, 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 tornado.
so
It's like
our
hair tornado, hair tornado.
but there's no, is there a wave like that? Is it like this?
Not.
Okay, so the left leg is the axis, right?
Si te quieres divertir.
It's like a pivot, right?
Primor.
Olivia, is that right?
Yep. That's what it takes you.
So
That one takes you only.
Yes, so
Like,
the left leg just pivots and the right leg helps you to spin, basically, right? To rotate. Yes. And this is like this, right?
Oops.
Okay. And what happens with your... Okay, so there's a bit of a body wave, isn't there? Can you do it?
It's not like
So less than that.
less than that.
Is it more like
It's not.
not contractions either?
No.
Okay. So what is it?
Ow. It's like more. It's more like. It's just a little wave.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, got it.
It's like
A little bit of movement.
movement.
A little bit. Okay. And so that part is when there is no music, is that right?
Yep.
Can you say it in the mic?
That part is when there's no music.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and no music.
Like that.
And-
Open.
Oh, open your hands. Okay. Both times?
Yeah.
So you open the Ferris wheel with open
Like
hands?
this. It's like a popping.
Oh. And do you close and open again? Oh, that's interesting. So you start with your
It's
fist.
like popcorn.
Your fists are closed. You open,
no closing at the
There's
end.
no closing at the end.
It's
Are you sure?
like that, like that.
And then you go straight into 1.
And then this, no. Then just this one goes and like this.
1, 2.
Hey, look at my hand. Look at my hand.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your left hand stays where you had it at the end of the Ferris wheel.
Or you can like keep it down, but I'm
Oh,
just
I
gonna
keep
put
it
it
down.
like
Okay.
this.
Well, I see what comes out naturally.
Woo! Now we're doing the salsa. How did you do that? Well, whatever. Si te quieres divertir
Con encanto y con primor, solo tienes que vivir. Si te quieres divertir, con encanto y con primor, solo tienes que vivir. Un verano.
Okay, so from this thing we go like that. And then from this we go close and we go like another tornado but to our to your t-shirt.
Okay.
Like that. And then you change.
Okay, that's right.
And then you go here.
Okay, but let's begin.
Here.
No, but we have to do. So that part is open hands.
Yeah,
Can you
I
describe?
don't like these shoes. They're really like high.
Come on, get high.
Like in the basement, I don't like them.
Can you teach us the steps, please?
Okay, so it's
Describe it. So it's open hands.
wait. Solo tienes que decir. So we start. Solo tienes que decir.
Okay.
Solo tienes que decir.
Can you describe the steps first?
Okay, so solo tienes.
So
So it's like
okay.
solo tienes.
You
Que
stop,
decir.
Stop. Can you describe the steps?
Okay, so it's like you're gonna push somebody.
Okay, you're pushing with open hands.
Yeah, like
And you're
and
stepping
you're
at the same
and
time.
imagine you're stepping a tarantula that you don't like at all, like
Stepping on a tarantula.
tarantula and pushing somebody.
Okay? So we are pushing, stepping.
You're doing it in the same place.
Oh, you're not moving. You have to go up and down. Bam, 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 bam. Is
Yeah.
that right? Okay.
And then from there we go close and we from there too. So you go like a tornado to your shirt and you step the tarantula. And you turn and you step the tarantula.
Step on.
The tarantula and you do the tornado to your shirt.
And is there a bit of a body weight
No.
or something?
Like that. If you want to, you can do.
But it's not supposed to be
No.
like that. What is it supposed to be like? Oh, pa, 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 pa.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we go maybe like shave your head. Shave your head.
Are
Shave
you
your
sure it's right hand first?
Oh yeah, shave your hand. Shave your hand and
So,
then
left, right.
not like that, okay? It's like it's from there.
Oh, left, right,
Without touching.
left, right.
Left, right, and when you're here, you turn your thing and you go like that. But while you're doing that, you see that I put my foot here and then I do like that.
You bend your knees and then you straighten them up.
Yeah, like,
Bend up.
yeah,
Okay. So,
bend up.
okay, so let me
And
get
from
this.
there.
So, Solo
Tienes que decir
pa, 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 pa.
un verano en Nueva
Oh, I
York.
did wrong. Okay, I did wrong.
Un verano en Nueva York.
Un vera.
Un
But-
verano en Nueva York.
But listen,
Nueva
listen, I
York.
have a question.
Yeah.
When you do left and right, are you stepping with the same foot, left and right?
No.
What are you stepping with? Because I have a problem, right? I do left, right, but then I have to do this.
Yeah.
Can you do it? So it's the same foot for sure.
Because or would be like this.
Bum.
Because or it will be like this. We don't want that because
Can
it's
you do
like
from this? Can you do from here?
solo tienes que decir un verano en Nueva York, Nueva York.
You know what you did? You used your front leg, not your back leg.
Yeah, I know to do that.
So but that's not what we've learned. You've taught me like this. Now you're saying it's like this.
Oh yeah, sorry. Erase your mind. It's from there. We go there, that, and it would be,
Yes, so that's what I was thinking.
and it would be this leg.
No, but look what you did right now. You did 1, 2, so that now you can do that.
Oh yeah.
Opposite leg and arms.
Sometimes I just go. I just go.
I just thought it's weird because if I do that, how do I?
Ah!
Okay, so let's recap for people. Let's look at the camera right here.
Yeah.
So when you do left, oh, thank you. When you do left and right, you're gonna step with opposite feet. So left hand and arm steps with the right leg, steps back, okay? And then when you do the right arm, step left. That will allow you then to do this, to step back again to the side and turn. Am I right?
Yeah.
Correct. Thank you. Awesome. So now that we have recapped that, let's do it towards the mirror so they can see us do it right. Okay?
Got it.
Bam, bam, bam.
And after that we go Nueva York.
NUEVAYol. So we were doing, let's do that again for people. It was left, right, right, left, step back, turn, and then shoulder, shoulder, shoulders, right?
Yep.
NUEVAYol.
Okay, let's do it with music.
Okay. So this part that we've just shown you, that we've just taught you, we do it twice, right?
Twice. So when we finish this, is gonna start again this.
Yes.
So don't worry because we're gonna do the same thing.
Exactly.
And then after we repeat it, we're gonna do like it's mirror
Okay.
and fist bump, and
Okay.
you stay like that. And then maybe like not that, like that.
Well, I like it better like this. It's nice.
No. It's like this.
1, 2. Is there a 3 also?
And then we go like that, and that's it.
And that's it.
That's for part 1.
Okay. So section 1, we do everything we've taught you. Then we repeat it. We finish with pam, pam, pam. And then we'll go into section 2 in another video.
Okay.
Let's dance.
With some music!
Si te quieres divertir con encanto y con primor, solo tienes que vivir un